guys. So today's recipe is some Brodo Ngo or Brodo Ngo plantain cake, or whatever name you give it to it. That is what we are going to have today. You're going to love it. It's a very quick, simple recipe. Okay, and so if you are here and you have not yet subscribed, I beg you, subscribe, like the video, share, and click on the notification bell. Okay, so with this recipe, you need your plantain to be like this. And so when your plantain gets to this point, don't throw it away. You can still use it for something delicious. Do you get it? And so I have flour, this pastries flour, soft flour, and I'm also going to make use of pepper, onion, and ginger. And I'm going to add groundnut paste and Negro pepper, grinded Negro pepper to it, red oil, and we're going to use salt as well. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the peels off, and then I'm going to divide it into two. I'm going to blend one in a blender. I will add the ginger, the pepper, and the onions to it and blend it. And then the remaining, that is the half, I'm going to blend it in apotoiwa. Yes, asanka. So that's what we are going to do. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video for me. I beg you. Do well to click on the notification bell. It's very important so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notification to watch. If not, you will never know when I upload a new video. So this is it, divided into two, and I've chopped my onions and garlic, and so I'm going to add it to what is in the blender. Before then, I'm adding oil, red oil, a bit of it to aid the blending. So we are not supposed to add water to this. Do you get it? And so you can do everything in the apotoiwa. So I'm adding some of my grinded Negro pepper. I'm going to add a groundnut paste to it. And then we are going to take it to, we are going to grind this. Yes. And so if your blender cannot do this work, then just use the apotoiwa asanka to finish this. So I've blended this smoothly. So this is it. I'll set it aside, and I'm going to take my asanka or apotoiwa. Yes, and I'm going to blend this. Okay, so I'm going to pour everything into my mixing bowl. And I'm going to add the blended one or so to it. And we'll mix everything together. So I'll try and take the rest or the remaining ones in the blender, scoop everything, and add it to what is in the bowl. I'm going to add salt to it. Just adjust the quantity of the salt to your taste, your preference. Do you get it? And so this, after, when I mix everything, I taste and the salt is still not enough for me. I will add more. So at this point, I'm going to add my flour, but I'll add the flour bit by bit till I get a consistency that I want, and that will be okay. It's not supposed to be too thick. That is, you're not supposed to add too much flour to it. The flour will help to bind it very well, and you're not supposed to add just a little also. So just adjust the quantity and get the texture that you want. Okay, so we are done mixing. We are going to pour it into a baking pan, but before then I'm going to whisk this a bit. Now you can use your hand to beat it a bit so that it will be a bit light. You get it? But I'm using a whisk to do this, electric mixer to do this, just for some few minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to add the rest of the red oil to it and then mix everything together, and then we just pour it into a baking pan. Make sure that your baking pan, you grease it. You can grease it with some of the red oil, but I decided to use margarine to grease it. Yes. Okay, so you are going to pour into it. Please do subscribe, like and share this video for me, and leave a comment as well. Very necessary. Okay, if you click on the notification bell, it will help. Whenever I upload a new video, you get notification. So I have another one, that is smaller one. You are going to add the rest also into it. And I'm going to bake this in my gas oven on a low heat for 30 to 40 minutes. So this is, I'm going to bake this. So just give it time for it to bake very well. So this is it. I am done baking, and I've allowed it to cool down. So we are going to turn it. And so this is it. This is Ofam or Brodo Ngo or Brodo Ngo or plantain cake. Yes, so you're going to cut into it and see. It's very nice and very satisfying. You can eat a little, drink water, and you are satisfied. And so this is it, our Ofam Brodo Ngo or Brodo Ngo. Brodo Ngo, you know, brodo is bread. So because we've added oil ngo to it, and I've added some peanuts to it, so this is it. Very awesome, sumptuous, and tasty, and filling. It fills you a lot. Thanks so much for watching. Okay, if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video for me. Bye bye.